Are you looking for a 480 horsepower, internally gated, lightning fast responding turbocharger for your build? We got something for you. Welcome back, everybody. We've got another YouTube video for you guys. It's a nice exciting one. It's one of the direct service replacement turbochargers in ball bearing guys that we've got that replaces your small frame size turbocharger. This is a 2867. It's got a 67mm extruder compressor, which is manufactured from a forged aluminium 7000 grade. It is not a normal billet compressor wheel that is extruded from whatever material and machined on a 5-axis. We forge the material first, which obviously increases the density and allows us to play with the design of the compressor, increasing blade area, playing with the root design, etc., which basically allows us to extract more horsepower, more airflow out of the compressor. We have a 9-blade GT28 style turbine, dual ball bearing guys, water cooled with an internally gated turbine housing, T25 inlet flange with a V-band out, AR49 and AR64 different volute sizes to choose from. We've got a Billet TurboDirect actuator with 3 different spring rates and a range of accessories included. All right, so in front of you, you can see the 11-blade compressor, the forged compressor wheel inside of a ported shroud AR60 compressor housing, your billet actuator with your 2 additional springs that give you a nice wide range of boost. You've got a billet oil return fitting, which is a -8 male, and the gasket for that, which is basically a steel gasket with your gasket material both sides, and the bolts and washers required to bolt that onto the bearing housing. You've also got your oil inlet and outlet fittings along with your copper washers, oil fitting with a 1mm restriction hole drilled through it. You've got your multi-layer stainless steel gasket as well as your V-band flange and clamp. The specific turbine housing is obviously your T25 inlet. It's internally gated, but this is the AR49 volute option. And you can obviously see the swing valve and the turbine wheel inside there. Dual ball bearing. And we've also gone and drilled and tapped and installed a boost source for you as well. Right, guys, that's the gist of the GTX2867 direct service replacement for the Garrett ball bearing turbocharger. It is a beautiful piece. It is really attractive when it comes to the price point. It's reliable. All of the components internally are sourced from around the world. It is not just an off-the-shelf Chinese derivative that has been purchased, put in a box and stuck a sticker on it. We actually source the internal components from around the world, assemble in-house, balance in-house, and do all the QC checks ourselves. So that's that for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please comment down below, like, subscribe. Catch you guys next time.